Hello, I'm excited to announce that we have just upgraded our Snowflake streaming integration. If you guys have been following along, you'll know that our Snowflake streaming integration just went GA at the end of last year, and we have now upgraded it so that we can allow users to stream data to Snowflake managed Iceberg tables. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the Iceberg stack, it is definitely something worth looking into. If you are familiar with it and you are looking into how to implement an Iceberg stack, a version of it, or perhaps you already have, this is one way in which you can implement an Iceberg stack. So if I go into Snowflake Streaming, our destination here, and go into the configuration, you can see that we now have an Iceberg settings section, in which case you can toggle this on. Now what this is going to do when you toggle it on is it's going to prompt you to then put in what's called your external volume, which is essentially you telling actually Snowflake where Snowflake is going to actually write the data. In Snowflake managed Iceberg tables, Snowflake itself, their built-in native catalog called the Horizon catalog, is the catalog layer of the Iceberg stack, and that handles the reading and the writing of the actual data into the object storage in the Iceberg format. So there are a number of different benefits to Snowflake managed Iceberg tables as well as other externally managed Iceberg tables. This is just one way in which you can implement this, and we have other ways that we are working on implementing that are on our roadmap. But I wanted to share this way with you that this one has just gone live, so I encourage you guys to try it out. There will be some prerequisites, things that you need to set up prior to streaming data to Snowflake managed Iceberg tables, and that will be in the docs. Those will be things like setting up your S3 bucket, setting up the necessary objects within Snowflake, etc. But at the end of the day, after you set those prerequisites up, all you have to do is come into your web app here, go into your Snowflake, create a Snowflake streaming destination, and then just toggle on the Iceberg connection setting, and then enter in your external volume. And that will be it.